it is the 21st of June 2021. We found something that is open during the daytime. It's ValmetSchlieren 11, sticky speed. We're also going to go to the sticky CNC here. This is in Hervanta. It gives the birth of Tampere, Finland, and was built in 1973 by ValmetSchlieren. Turned 45 years old in 2018. The serial number is VS3979 with 8 floors, and it's going to be inspected in next year, 2022. Let's see if it has memory. I don't think it has, but let's see. It has.
Yeah.
Yeah. Deserves 2 rides. Amazing. Even though it doesn't have a window.
Yeah.
I don't remember if I filmed this because I don't remember a single building without windows.
Yeah.
So this is the first I've seen in Hervanta without windows.
Oh yeah.
Yes. That's why I think I haven't filmed it.
Yeah.
Good idea. That's why it was a good idea to come here.
Yeah. And it's better with flooring together than with window.
Actually, yeah, that's true. Maybe the memory is simple, or
Yeah.
you have to press it properly.
Yeah.
But it sounded.
Yeah.
And I have to change battery now. I'll change it.
Ah.
What happened so much? It's time to change it. Spent so much, it's time to change it.
Yeah, it has memory.
Then if when we go down, I'll start again.
Yeah.
So disturbing. The battery stopped
Yeah.
like in the middle of the ride.
Spektiit paikki vain meidän temppoi Suomen hissirakointi.
Yeah. But I'm not sure if this is Pohjois-Hervanta or Länsi-Hervanta.
Yeah, pohjois.
Probably still northern.
Yeah.
Because I think most of these which are with codes and that is like Pohjois.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take a second drive because I have to do it again due to the battery.
Yeah. That's